So we are going to be painting in our foreground and middle ground and background with a dark color that isn't a tint or a shade, but it creates shades. It is black. Great. So you're going to dip your brush in. Normally we have a choice what we're going to paint, but to do this assignment right and to have our landscape with mood, and today we're exploring the idea of contrast. If we made this purple, would there be much of a difference between the sky and down here? Would there be much contrast? No. No, black allows us to have some contrast. Another idea could be white. I mean, if you have like a lot of shade in your sky, I would advise you might want to even try white down here. That could be a way for you to choose what to do. But most of us, I would say, are pretty much sticking to black. So I'm dipping my brush in the water and then into the paint. Any excess is real drippy, I kind of put on the inside. I'm painting in our beautiful land first, in the mountains. Then I'm coming in. If you want to use a smaller brush, you can. You can always switch brushes. There's a bunch for you to choose from. Another mountain over there. And I'm coming in with my edge of my brush, adding branches. And again, you might have to put two coats because you're going to find when you add the black, it's going to mix with your shades a bit and turn it lighter. So when it dries, just go back in, paint another coat. There we go. And again, adding some little evergreens in the background, the mountains. Have fun. Aim for contrast in the foreground, middle ground, or background.